Hi there everyone, and today we are discussing one thing in particular. What is better, broadband routers or 4G mini hubs? That is the question that we're going to try to answer today. So yes, welcome back to Winging It, and today, like I said before the intro, we're going to be taking a look at 4G routers, and particularly the Huawei 4G router Lite, however you pronounce it, I don't know, someone will correct me in the comments. We're going to be comparing this today to broadband because I, like many people in the United Kingdom, live in slap bang in the middle of the countryside, and one thing that means is that we do not have access to things like fibre or good internet. So really the connection should be a lot quicker and more stable off one of these than it should be in the middle of the countryside, and we're going to be comparing it later on. So obviously we have our router, I'm going to probably, that's probably a correct way of saying it. It's pretty lightweight, it's just sort of plasticky thing. What do you expect really? A little quick start manual, I'm guessing, yeah, we have a couple of different ways of configuring it. We have the power cable and we have an Ethernet connection should you want to plug it directly into a landline perhaps, or even into your computer or whatever really. But the main thing we're looking at is this, and I cannot hold it, this thing.
12 seconds later.
I've been sitting here for 1 hour trying to get this thing to work, and I've been on the phone to free customer service, and they have just told me that my account on the SIM card that goes into the back of this thing hasn't been activated yet, and it won't be activated because of their mistake until tomorrow morning. So basically this means that I can't do the rest of the video today, so I'm going to have to fast forward to tomorrow, this time tomorrow, and hopefully, all being well, I will have this working and I'll be able to do a test. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. And it's now Wednesday, the next day. I've just come back from work. Is it working? Is it fuck? No. Just spoke to Free on the phone. According to them, when I tried to register my SIM card yesterday that goes into it, there was a system glitch. And apparently the glitch has been sorted out, but I now have to wait 48 hours for it to register on its own, because apparently according to them it is registering, it's in the process of it, but it should be 48 hours from when I first put it in the device, which was yesterday. So apparently this time tomorrow it should be working. Will it be working? I don't know. Let's find out. Alright then, ladies and gents, it is 9:30 at night and I've just been talking to Isabel and I've decided to randomly restart the router, and I can happily report that the blue light has finally come on, and I haven't tested it yet, I haven't looked at the speed or anything, but we are going to do it right now. But first of all, I want to do a quick speed test, a BT wholesale speed test on the internet that I currently have, so we can compare it. So I will just fast forward to that, and okay, right, so God, we have the result. This is the countryside terrible copper wire broadband. As you can see, we've got a download speed of 2.24, an upload speed of 0.17, which, let me tell you, trying to upload to YouTube on is not fun at all, and a ping of 4,223. Not good. And as you can imagine, focus please, focus, come on, there we go. As you can imagine, trying to upload on that speed, or do anything else for that matter, like stream games off PlayStation Now, is almost impossible. So now we're going to hook it up to the new broadband and we're going to do another speed test, and hopefully the results will be just that bit better. I mean, quite a lot better I'm hoping for, but I'd take a couple more megs and I'd take a little bit less ping on both either side of the speeds really. A quicker upload time for me and a better download speed for doing things with is a lot better all round. Oh damn! Would you look at those speeds? 44 download speed and a 5.2 upload speed. That is great, and a 45 ping. That that is blowing my mind. That is so much quicker than I thought it was going to be. I thought it might be like 10 download, maybe like 2 upload or something like that, and maybe 100 ping. But that is so much quicker. 44 download. That's quicker than some places I know that actually have fibre. And a 5 upload. A 5 upload compared to a 0.17. That is insane, and I now know that this video is going to shoot up onto YouTube much quicker than anything else I've ever done in my entire life. Well, I mean, that goes to prove it really in my eyes. If you live out in the middle of nowhere like I do, and you are on old BT, in this case of England, copper wires, you know, and you're struggling with very slow internet and just disastrous conditions really, get yourself one of these little hubs. They're from Free. The customer service at the beginning was a little bit bad, but maybe it was just a glitch on the system because I don't read any other reviews of things like this happening. But the results compared to the countryside internet, compared to this, these kind of speeds here, no one else in this entire village has got anything close to that, and I am so chuffed with that, and that is great. But anyway, the video's been 2 days in the making and I'm pooped, so I'm going to end it here, and hopefully you guys have a really great understanding of what it's like to have great countryside internet. That is actually cheap because it's only £22 a month, and my normal internet, that's for the house, is about £30–40 a month. So that kind of speeds for that kind of price, you can't really lose. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.